Okay, so this part I've never seen anybody do it the same way. And I found it really hard to transcribe this part. I listened over and over and over and over again. It was really hard to hear exactly what he was doing. His timing went all over the place. It sounds great, what he is playing, but I tried to get it as close as I possibly can. But, you know, it's not note for note, but it's pretty damn close. So anyway, let's get back into it. You've got the bass note going the whole time. If you can get that going as well. So, you know, you've got the 8th fret on the B and the 9th fret on the G. You play those two, slide up, and then back down, and then to the 7. And he's kind of playing around that idea most of the time. So you get. So just try and pick up the rhythm. So you've got. And you know, you probably know me a bit by now. I'm not going to be so nice to you in these later videos because I like you to do a bit of the work yourself. So I'm not going to deliver this one to you note for note because I'm horrible. So you've got the alternating bass. Try and pick that out. Okay, and then you get that kind of thing. So that there is D string. Play that 1 7th fret, hammer the 9, same on the G, and then you slide up. But I keep the bass going like that. So altogether you'd have. Okay, and then the next bar you've got. That's the same. So instead of going, you just go ooh, to the 7, like that, okay? So back to the beginning. And then it goes. Okay, so that's okay. So you do the hammers 7 9 7 9 on the D and then the G, slide up, then back down 7, and then do the slide again. Do the hammers, slide up, down, hammer 7 to 9 on the D. Play, you know, the 7th fret on the G and the B, and that's pretty much it. And just before going into the next section, you want to play the open A string, and then you get. Back into that. So coming out of that, you just do that hammer on a few more times. Again, I've never seen anybody play that part in the same way. Some people drag out the bars, some people don't play this part at all, but it's definitely in the song. That's how I've got it. So I'm just, if you can hear, and then into. But I wouldn't be too afraid about changing it, because, as I've said a whole bunch of times now, virtually everybody does it slightly differently. So yeah, that's that section.